guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. jdevinci here with some lit tattoo content for you all. You guys seem to be loving my tattoo content. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're new and you're just looking for a beautiful woman who tattoos. Subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of other stuff, so don't get mad at me when I'm not posting tattoo content all the time, but today we are. Today I'm actually going to be transforming. I'm gonna set the picture on the screen. This is what the tattoo looks like. This is an old tattoo that I have and I'm not too proud of it. Nowadays we can enhance the tattoo. The good thing about any tattoo, I don't care how bomb the tattoo looks, it can always be enhanced and it can always be fixed. As years come, all tattoos need to be touched up. Like this beautiful rose sleeve that I got from Dan Smith, who's a famous tattoo artist, I feel like it could be touched up. It's time for it to touch up. So I'm gonna be revamping this old tattoo that I have and I'm gonna be transforming it into something new, something beautiful, and I'm super excited about this. I keep touching my face. Okay, it was a piece of hair and I'm just like, something is on my face. But what I want to share with you guys, because you guys enjoyed my neck tattoo where I explained to you guys about the Dr. Numb Vasocaine. Okay, this was that extra product that I said my tattoo artist sprayed something on my Vasocaine. Okay, I'm gonna try to link where I got mine from in the description. But y'all, a mixture of Dr. Numb, you can get this from Amazon, I'll link it in the description, and this Vasocaine is dangerous. Just so you're aware, with Vasocaine, it only works after you've done your initial outline. So you do your outline of the tattoo, then you spray it, it kind of stings a bit, you wait about 15 minutes, and let me tell you, it's dangerous. Because if you're a beginner, and I'm not gonna recommend a beginner to use the Vasocaine, because this is the only reason why I say because it numbs everything. And if you don't know how deep you're going, you can really hurt yourself. You can cut yourself, you can damage your skin for life, and just kind of tattoo yourself first. And then next go around, use the Vasocaine, because this Vasocaine is dangerous. It really works. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I use Vasocaine in the middle of my session. This stuff works wonders. But let's get straight into the video. The tattoo machine that I used today was the Bronc. I don't quite remember, but everything that I use, I'm gonna link it in the description. Okay, so what I'm doing right here is I'm just outlining the headband, because with time, that headband decided that it was going to leave. So I'm darkening the headband, and yeah, when I get to the hair, I'll come back, I'll pop back on and let y'all know what's going on. All right, so I decided that the headband was dark. Now I need to darken the circles and actually just make them look crisp, because they were a little bit wonky. So I decided to go on with an 11 round liner, because an 11 round liner would give me thicker, bold lines faster. So I decided to go on with an 11 round liner and Super Black. Super Black is what I used. I'm gonna link everything in the description in case you wanna know, and I'm very descriptive. Here I am actually, okay, I'm jumping, I'm like making little spaces, and I'm not really saturating it too much because I want to kind of see where I'm gonna place it, because I didn't know where I wanted to place it at the time. So as you guys can see, I've already done 3 and I'm just lightly but darkly adding it in. I just want to kind of gauge where I'm gonna put it. Me leaving this space because the initial base of the hair was just so blotchy and done so horribly. I decided that I needed to enhance the hair and kind of make it more hair-like, even though this isn't a realism, you know, it's not a realism tattoo or realistic tattoo. I wanted to bring as much texture and just texture as I could to the hair. So as you guys can see here, I was counting the lines and I'm adding another one. I'm using a 11 round Magnum. It's not too big. I would say if you guys haven't already started using Magnums, use them, because they make everything so much easier. You can get nice smooth blends, you can get nice color saturated, you know, packs. I have a whole video sharing with you guys how I color pack with a Magnum. I'm gonna leave it in the description. Check that description because it's always descriptive, okay? But yeah, here I am just kind of gauging where I want to place the different layers of the hair. And then I go back and kind of fine tune everything. See, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now here you guys see I'm now with an 11 round liner. So that round liner that I had to outline, that's what I'm using to kind of fine tune, kind of do some little flicks to just further enhance the hair. I would have used a round shader of some sort, but I didn't have any. I actually need to order some more stuff. But this 11 round liner was perfect. I didn't want to go in with a 5 round liner because the needles are too small to be doing what I needed to do. So yeah, here I am just kind of further darkening areas that I want dark, keeping some areas light just so I can have gradient effects, and more dimension is the word I was looking for. More dimension within the tattoo. So it's okay to kind of go back in with a tight liner or a round shader to get in those little fine-tuned areas that you might have missed with a Magnum. Because sometimes you can put the Magnum on its side and kind of get in there, but let me start off by saying I had 3 shots of rum and your girl was a little litty when I was doing this tattoo, but we managed to get it done. And now I'm lining my leaves because everything just really needed to be enhanced. Here I am actually drawing lines within the hair to give it more dimension because I wasn't satisfied with what it looked like. I was like, I think I could do a little more. So I decided to start adding lines to the actual hair, and I love the way the hair turned out. Oh my gosh, I literally love the way the hair turned out. I love the way the hair turned out. It's so cute. And from what it looked like before to what it looks like now, it looks really good. So yeah, those lines just kind of gave it a little bit more movement, a little bit more body, and yeah, I like it. Oh, here we are wiping it. I had to continue to wipe. I'm showing you guys what's going on, and then I'm like, okay, you guys need to do it to the other side too. But yeah, I had to continue to wipe because with that Super Black, the only thing that I don't like about the Super Black is that wiping really sucks. It takes a lot more effort to wipe off the color than it does with any other, you know, brand of black. But Super Black for me is a really nice black. I mainly work with African Americans, people of color, and we're looking for colors that stick in the skin, not look green or, you know, light over time. We kind of just want it to be in there and look vibrant. So Super Black is what I use and what I like to use. But here I am just outlining everything that I feel needs to be outlined, and to be honest, it was really everything. So yeah, I'm just making everything look more vibrant and to my standard of showing off the tattoo because it needed some help. What I failed to show you guys on here, I don't know if you guys can see the tattoo on her neck and the teardrop. I actually ended up changing the color and making it more teal blue because the black to me on her wasn't working, you know. So I went in and made it like a teal green color. Like that. But here I am just softening the hair on the other side because I wasn't happy with it. Kind of just looked too blotchy, so I went in with like a color wash. So I did a dot, like a drop of black, and then the rest distilled water, and I'm just kind of smoothing out. Oh, and with the headband, it's light green, but I liked the contrast that it was giving. So I didn't end up going in and darkening the green on the headband because I liked how it kind of looks faded, if you can say, because it gives a nice contrast with the dark hair and then the light headband, you know what I mean? So like afar, it's readable. Because I didn't just want it to be dark green and then black hair. I'd have the black hair and then I didn't end up going over the green, but I actually did enhance the orange because that needed a bit more color. So So as you guys can see, I'm just further blending out the hair, making it smooth, giving it some, just, you know, some little flicks, and just kind of making it how I want it to look, you know? Other shade. Here I am just adding eyebrows, darkening the eyes, because she looks like this, you know, she kind of looks drugged. So I needed to go in and fix her face because I can't believe I was walking around with a tattoo that looked like this. And it's okay, she can still be further enhanced, but by the time I was finished doing what I was doing, your girl was in pain. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wipe anymore, I can't tattoo anymore, we're done, we're done for the day. But yeah, I feel like you can always further enhance a tattoo. But here I am fixing the eyes, darkening the eyelashes. And this is real time. Some of it is sped up, but like right here is real time of what's going on. I also went in and darkened her nose, and then I added, you're gonna see that I add kind of red shading around her eyes and her nose. Now today the shading, the redness has dulled down and it's not as swollen as it was in what you guys are gonna see for the final. So the red now is where I wanted it to be, where I knew it was going to heal down to be. And it's so cute. She's so cute. You're gonna have to follow me on Instagram to see like close-ups. Oh, bye. Okay, so I ended up darkening the nose and the lips, and I further colored the lips in red because she needed a bit more help. Here I am. I actually went in with a drop of red and the rest distilled water because I didn't want the red to be too pigmented. Like I wasn't going for like red eye. I was going for more of like the red gradient around the eyes, you know, just to give her a bit more character, because she was dull. And I didn't show the clip, but as you guys can see, like the neck tattoo is now bluish green. I also went in and colored her actual eyes green. I didn't go on with any white. I could have used white to further highlight, but I was done. So here I am just adding the red, kind of messily. I'm always good for a nice blowout blend. So here I am just kind of dragging out the nose to give the nose a bit more shape. And here I am, I just have my Magnum on his side and I'm just lightly brushing it. I'm not really like kind of circling it around so it can be heavily concentrated with color. I'm just lightly brushing as if I was like painting, just lightly stroking it, so it can be a nice, you know, bright, soft. It's not even really soft, it's kind of scratchy, but I like that vibe. That was the vibe that I was going for. So yeah, I really like the red. The red's super cute. And then what are we gonna do next? We're gonna jump to the next clip. I did end up further coloring in the orange on the headband. I'm kind of trying to figure out what color I want to add the little, you know, little half circles. I don't know what color I want to do. I was just over it by now. I am further darkening the green on the leaves because they were just dead leaves. It was time for some action. So I watered the plants and now they're vibrant and they're ready to go. And then I also added some more red to the lips. Y'all, I was in so much pain by now. My shots have worn off. I'm like, should I take another shot or should I not? Because if I take another shot, I know that I'm going to start coloring outside the lines and that's going to be very irresponsible of me. But that's what I was thinking at this point in time. I was like, should I take another shot? Should I take another shot and kind of continue to work, or should I be done? And I was done. So here I'm aggressively wiping and oh my gosh, it hurts so badly. But I love the final product. As you guys can see, around the nose is really red. But it's gonna heal beautifully. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed how I revamped an old tattoo that I had. I further went in with some Sanaderum. I actually recommend, because the Sanaderum that I placed, it fell off in the shower. So I took a shower, used some antibacterial soap. I like to use Dial. I'll link it on the screen which one I use. And then after that, I just pat it dry and then the adhesive is ready to stick and it's not gonna go anywhere. I normally take it off in 5 days. And by the 5th day, when I take it off in the shower, everything is healed and is beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up if you guys wanna see more content like me, kind of showing you guys what I'm tattooing and narrating. Let me know in the comment sections below and give this video a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel because I really wanna hit 100K subscribers. There's 3 weeks left in the year. Can we do it? I don't know. But yeah, talk to you guys next time. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.